Send the police. Send the
On September 21st, 2023, law enforcement officers arrived at a hospital following a report of a disturbance. The issue involved a man in a wheelchair who was persistently refusing to vacate the premises, despite repeated requests from the hospital security staff.
Thanks, man. This is okay. I'm talking to. I definitely want to come up with police, maybe. Yeah, I'm here. Wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah, we'll just head out this way. I'll help you out.
Okay, wait a minute. Well, I'm going to need a Columbus women. You putting me in the hospital?
Huh?
Putting me in the hospital?
No, I'm just taking you outside.
Okay, I'm still going. I can't walk, man.
Okay, that's all right.
Okay, well, what are you doing, man?
I'm just bringing it outside. That's all.
The man was not listening to anyone and kept saying no. He was very loud, yelling at the police and hospital staff. He also talked loudly on his phone, making things more difficult for everyone.
In the building unless you are here for treatment.
Man.
That's all.
This is going to be something. I think we're going to civilization with OSU, maybe some.
We're just going to do the phone call outside. Yeah.
I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm standing right fuck here. That's that.
Defying expectations, the man stood up from his wheelchair, still engrossed in his phone conversation. He showed no intention of acknowledging the officers, instead choosing to talk over them, maintaining his focus on the phone call and further demonstrating his unwillingness to cooperate with their attempts to communicate or resolve the situation.
It's not needed. I said I didn't want to come to the hospital. They brought me here anyway.
You need a ride somewhere?
I said, man, I was going to get
You just need a ride somewhere?
I was going to get something. That's what I had to do.
Where would you like a ride?
Reynoldsburg. Where they brought me from. Wait a minute, man. Hold on. I got 99 officers talking to me at the same time. I haven't seen you before. Don't aggravate me, huh? Okay, well, somebody's going to shut up for a minute. Let me talk to one person. Western Campus Hospital, man. That's where I'm at. That's where I always try to come to, man. Basically, I guess somebody's, basically, we're not talking about getting me home now. When the Reynoldsburg police brought me here, this is what I'm trying to find out now. They say.
When police attempt to arrest a man, he begins to resist, both physically and verbally. By using offensive language and refusing to comply, he escalates the situation, creating a more confrontational and potentially dangerous environment for everyone involved, including himself and the officers.
What? Get the off. Send the police. Send the police.
Yeah, we're here, bud.
Okay.
We're here.
What? Yeah, I told them, don't bring me here. Yes, they don't turn my leave alone. It's on my phone, man. No, please. Officers, please talk to the police. Please, send the police. To help, man.
Following the confrontation, the man was taken into custody and placed in a police vehicle. This action was likely taken to de-escalate the situation at the hospital and address his refusal to cooperate with the authorities and hospital staff.
A grown man acting the way you are.
Man, you know something, man? Aggravated being sent to Twin Valley Hospital for coming out of a seizure fight. This shit happens, man. It's in my records. So I got a traumatic brain injury. TBI network, right up the street here. Jesus Christ. I told them, don't bring me, man. It wasn't a hospital issue. I think that needed
Lean back.
The man faced legal consequences for his actions. He was charged with criminal trespass for unlawfully remaining on hospital property, obstructing official business by hindering the duties of the officers and staff, and resisting arrest by refusing to comply with law enforcement's attempts to detain him. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos.